This website says that you can earn up to $100 per day typing names, like just names of people. This must be some really long, difficult names, right? Wait, that's it? No, it can't be that simple, can it? So believe it or not, there are actually websites that allow you to just get paid to type names. And I've stumbled upon one of them here, and it seems to be one of the more popular ones. It's called talentdesire.com. And there are many different types of jobs that you could do. It's not just limited to typing names and getting paid for that. There are things like medical transcription jobs, online tutoring jobs, content writing jobs, proofreading jobs, translation jobs. But the ones that we're concerned about right now in this specific video is online typing jobs. So we just hit online typing jobs to start. And as you can see here, they offer to pay anywhere from $13,500 to $27,000 or more per year. Of course, as you get into the details here, this will be based on your skills and what experience you have with these typing jobs. What was really cool here that shows that even a beginner could do it is that once you meet the minimum requirements, the minimum work of $1,125 per month is possible. 1,000, even if you call it 1,000 US dollars on the side, typing names. And why I also chose this one specifically is because I saw that in terms of their international payout rates, they are one of the highest. And on the online typing jobs main page on the talentdesire.com website, you can see the different levels here. From beginners, you can expect to get, what is this? 0.010. That's not 10 cents, that is 1 cent. As an expert, and an expert in this case would be somebody who has a high accuracy of typing words, can earn up to $6. It might sound like a little bit, $6, but that's for typing 300 words. When you're just sending a message, sometimes you type 300 words. This way you get $6 for that. And as I further explain here, it's not just 300 words. That's simply the average of the amount of words that would be on one page. Some of these jobs here may include 15 pages and give you 15 pages of work per day. So it shows here as a page per read, $6 page per read. Your expected earnings would be $90. And that could be per day, a 6-hour day, or whenever you get around it. So that's roughly $100 on the side. If you want to drill down into this further, you could simulate your earnings. You could feel free to check that out on the website talentdesire.com/online typing jobs. What is important to note here is that you need to meet the basic requirements, which they show here is basic knowledge of internet and English, minimum 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on a computer. And of course, you'll need a computer with a good enough internet connection. There's no joining fees. Registration is free. There's an online typing demo work where you can see what it's like. The only catch to this is that your accuracy should be between 98 to 99.99%, and you won't stand a great chance if your accuracy is below 98%. So how do they check your accuracy level? Now we can provide this by easily getting a certificate done for free on another website. And from what I've seen, there's another website called, I think you pronounce it Ratatype, where there's options here where there's a typing tutor. You can learn how to type faster. But what the most important thing here is there's a typing test. And when you complete this typing test, you get a certificate at the ending. And you can present the certificate over on talentdesire.com. And the higher your accuracy levels are, would categorize you more as an expert, which would make you be able to get paid higher and also increases the chances of you getting paid jobs. So what you would want to do is go over and take a typing test. And it seems fairly straightforward. You hit start typing now. Let's try this. In parts of Alaska. So I'm trying to type this here. I'm not sure how good my accuracy levels are. Might be that great, but just for the sake of this example, I want to try and get through this with a high level of accuracy. Okay, so I just tried a test and I got through it 40 words per minute, which is not great. 96.7% accuracy. So basically I need to increase my score. I need to get to, let's see, what was the level we spoke about? They said that the requirements are 98% or higher. Now that wasn't too hard to do. Now that's like 2 or 3% off I was. Now in order to improve my score, what I would have to do is perhaps going into typing tutor, where you can take courses. There's a game mode, free typing test. They teach you different methods, how you could improve your finger position on the keys to improve your accuracy and speed, and trying this a little bit and then keep doing the test over and over. I think you can do it over any amount of times until you increase your score. And when you get a score that you want, you hit Get My Typing Certificate. You want to make sure that it's at least over the 98% as they suggested here. And once you have that above 98% accuracy level, you then hit Apply Now. Then there's the registration process begins, where you select an application form. You complete it as per the guidelines. It's very straightforward. You then have a demo project that you need to complete. Once your application is reviewed, then a brief interview would be scheduled with you one-on-one. The reason for this is because they want to make sure that their money is being well spent. And based on the feedback that I've seen, this interview is not really much to think about, because once you pass the accuracy levels in the Ratatype website and you have your certificate and you've successfully gone through the demo in this step, that interview is more or less a formality. And once that is completed, you then could get hired for these typing jobs where you can get paid up to $100, roughly $100 per day. Of course, this depends on your schedule, because most likely you're going to be doing this on the side. And if you were to do this every day, you'll have to times 90 by like 31 days in a month. And that'll give you a really big number. And the thing to keep in mind here is that this is just one website. Once you have your certificate from Ratatype, then you can go and apply on multiple websites where you can get paid to type names. I mean, that's what I've seen a lot of people doing online. So they apply on different websites and get jobs here and there, and it just really adds up at the end of the month. So I'm going to try getting my accuracy levels past that 98%, and then I'm going to apply on this website and apply on a few different websites that's similar in terms of payments and types of jobs to talentdesire.com. I want to go through that. I'll share that with you. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions with this or if you had any success with this so far. So this was a really brief, straightforward one. 2 websites, Ratatype, get your typing certificate, and then you get paid for typing names. Now, if you like really challenging work like in this video to get paid, then you're going to want to check out this video next, where you can get paid to read emails. Yeah, you just pick up your phone, open your inbox, not swipe, but read the email, and then you get paid. I'm telling the truth. You can check it out right here.